Whoa, that is not good. You want to turn it on, bud?
Turn it on.
Good job, buddy. All right, guys, so this is day number 2 in Boise. We Braden's out taking pictures of the family we're staying with, and Leam and I, we came out and found a cool spot to drive the Traxxas Hoss, because Liam's been wanting to for a long time. So we got a construction site. Go push it, buddy. We'll try to find some cool jumps. I don't know, speed around a little bit here, see how it does. We could launch it right off that and it would be done for. We'll kind of get the feel for the area, make sure it's safe for Liam to be running around. Maybe we should just send it off this right away. Yeah, right. Alright. We'll just go and see what happens a little bit. Whoa! Oh my gosh! That thing caught some crazy air. You see that, buddy? Oh my heck. Oh, I saved it! That was awesome! It was starting to go forward and I hit the gas and leveled it out. That was awesome. Okay, this is like so tempting. I want to go find other stuff before I break it on this, but I'm very tempted to just keep hitting this. Woo! That is awesome! Was that cool, buddy?
Cool, buddy. Oh my!
Oh my! Hit the jump. Woo! It is hitting hard though. I'm gonna pop a shock. Should we hit another jump? Okay, push it. That is awesome. That's the biggest jump I've ever hit with this thing. Should we jump it again? Okay. Oh, I saved it again. Starting to go a little tippy. Hit the brakes and brought it down. That's awesome, bud. Oh, dang, that's a hard hit. Oh gosh. Let's check these shocks out and make sure we're good. It's looking a little saggy right now. Let's check it out, buddy. That one we hit hard and we hit and then it flipped because of how hard it hit, but I mean, we've still got suspension. Maybe we'll cruise around and see what else there is and come back to this if we're still running in a minute. Buddy, let's go over here. Look at you in your natural element. Let's go over on the grass and speed around. Look, there's a playground, buddy. Yeah, you want to do a wheelie? Okay, let's go over here. Okay, here I'm going. I'm going to do a wheelie. Let's do a wheelie. Should we go fast? Okay, here we go. Watch this, buddy. Oh, we are hitting some bumps going very fast. That thing's out of here. Holy cow, that's so far away. Okay, gotta turn it around. Oh, look. I think we reached the max distance because I don't got anything. I'm gonna start walking forward. Oh, there we go. Okay, bring it back. Oh my heck, here we go. Okay, it's coming back, buddy. We're full speed. Oh, it's just jumping. Okay. I freaking love this car. Oh, I am so happy I didn't hit that cement thing right there because I totally kind of lost control for a minute. Oh, we are squeaking. We got dirt in everywhere. Oh, jeez. Wheelie? Sorry, bud. Okay, here we go. It's kind of hard to do long wheelies here because there's no long straightaways. Oh shoot, that was awesome. Oh jeez. All right, we'll do a few wheelies, then we're gonna go hit that jump again. All right, bud, there's only a limited amount of stuff we can do here. Should we go hit that jump again? Let's do it. That was cool. That stuff looks very fine. Now that I said something, I have to do it. Just for you guys. I'll do one dust jump. Here we go, bud. Oh, it's not as fine as I thought. Uh-oh. Whoa, there it is. Oh, shoot. Thought it was gonna be straight powder. Liam, should we hit this jump again? Okay, come over here. We're breaking the Traxxas Hoss today, I feel like. You good? Okay. Let's hit it. Oh!
Oh!
You okay, buddy? Go fix it. Oh, you are such a stud. Yeah, I don't know what the heck happened with that one. I think I did the wrong. It was I'll have to look at the video. I think it was going forward and I hit the brake and I hope it's not broken. I think we're so good, buddy. Nice, but uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Eagle fix it.
Liam, can you fix it? Oh my gosh, he's the cutest. Good job, bud. Thank you. Push it. All right. Those first few we did were money. All right, here we go.
Here we go. It's gonna be like a rock.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. I'm gonna be the rock.
Should we do it again? Oh, that was a hard hit, but we landed it. We're breaking this thing today, boy. Oh, that is not good. Oh, I was giving it gas and I just needed to hit it harder. I was feathering it and it just stayed and boom, right on the front. Yeah, buddy, go fix it. That was a hard one, bud. Go see if it's okay. You got it? Oh, that one was brutal. I'm not even gonna check it. We're just gonna keep rolling. Yes.
Yeah.
That was awesome, huh, buddy? Yes.
Yes.
That one I had to floor it in the air to get it to level out a little bit. Oh no! I had it floored in the air. There was so much momentum, it would not straighten out. Oh, that one was bad. Buddy, what are we doing to our truck? It still works, bro. Oh, there's so much dirt in it. We're gonna have to give this thing a makeover when we get home, bud. Should we keep going? Keep going, okay. All right, buddy, if you say so. Woo, yeah, and we're still cruising. Yeah! Ah, that was awesome. We got a rock in somewhere. It's making a funny sound. Oh, we have the body and the tire. That's what it is. Liam, should we keep going? Okay. Go for it. Oh, that one was beautiful. We got some hang time, bro. Beautiful. I barely had to do anything on that one. Okay, I lost it on that one. Oh, that one was my fault. I hit the brake when I didn't need to. We still going, buddy? Yeah! Yeah, buddy! Oh, wow! I have no idea what that was. We did it, bud. Oh, that one was tough. Oh! I had to do a victory jump. Liam, let's go save it. Oh, so on that one, I slammed it. I freaking had full throttle to level that thing out. Liam, hopefully Mom has no evidence of what you were doing in your nice clothes. Yeah, buddy, you need to fix it. He needs your help. Dad got carried away and did a victory jump. Get it, buddy. Oh, great job. Liam, should we be done so our car still works? Should we call it a day? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Okay, buddy. Are you okay, sweetheart? Okay. You're so strong. Okay, the RC car needs a push. Whoa! This is the famous last words of everyone who does anything that you shouldn't be doing is one more time. One more time, buddy. And then we're gonna call it quits because our Hoss is still working. Okay. Last one for all the victory. Oh, that was amazing! I botched the launch, but we saved it. All right, buddy. I think we're done, man. Give me a high five. Bust it. We did it, buddy. And it's still running. Woo! Let's go, bud. Push it. Let's go do some wheelies for you over here, but we're done with the jump. Because it's still working. Look at it. We still have a running car. It's a miracle. Ready? Set. Oh yeah. Ooh, let's go do some donuts, buddy. Victory donuts for our sweet jumps. Wheelie? Yeah, let's do a wheelie. That was a great wheelie, bud. Oh, okay. Liam loves the wheelies. Yeah! Woo! This thing's screaming. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. That was awesome. We hit some sweet jumps, really put this thing to the test. I feel like this video was kind of a test of durability because I was hammering this thing. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave me comments. One more high five, buddy. Bust it. That's my boy.